How to set nickname in Instagram chat. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the quick tutorial on how to set nickname in Instagram chat. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged in. And now if you want to set nickname and tap on an individual account, and then you will see that there is no option to change the nickname anywhere. However, you can change the group chat name, so open any of your group conversation and further tap on the group chat name at the top. You will then see the option for change name and photo, so go ahead and tap on that and then tap on the change name option. You will then be able to change your group chat name, so go ahead and erase the existing name and then enter your new group chat name and tap on done, and as you can see the group chat name has been changed to your desired group name. So this is how you can set nickname in Instagram chat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.